So in this video we will discuss about overloading with different hierarchy or different branches. This is one of the most important concept with perspective to interview. Let's discuss. Let's discuss overloading in two different branches. Let's say public void test method and you have object obj, and considering you have one SOP and now public void test, and this time I'm having an argument as character array. Same, there would be some SOP into this. Now let's say one more method, test and argument is integer object as an argument, and SOP into this. Now clearly you can see that there are three methods, overloaded method. Now let's say we have public static void main object is equals to new main, and if you pass null from here, object dot test, and we are trying to pass null from this object dot test, then imagine what would be the output. This null can clearly accepted by integer as well as this character array as well as this object. Now between integer and object, you may say integer is most specific, and between char array and object you may say char array is most specific. But what about between char array and integer? Now how will you decide who will accept null and why? First let me tell you the answer. This is again an ambiguity, unresolved compilation problem, and this compile error is between integer and character array. And the reason that these two integer and character array belongs to two different branches. Let's say explore in here. I'm having this main and these three methods, basically the public void test with object argument, with character array argument, and the integer. Same example I was showing you in that notebook as well. So it is, let's say if you are trying to pass null from here, so we can see that okay, object can accept null, character array can accept null, integer as well can accept null. Also we understand that it always go for exact match or for the most specific one, but the scene is like why it still the ambiguity, because this character array and this integer both belongs to different branches of this object. It is not like the same branches they belongs. The character array and this integer both belongs to different branch under the same object. So it is like for JVM it is a confusion. There is a confusion between this character array and this integer. That's why it is keep showing you the ambiguity, and this is the confusion between these two methods only. If you remove this, confusion is still there, and it is because of they both belongs to different branch of the object. And if it is like, let's say if I could have only this, I mean this object and integer, so now there is no confusion because the integer is most specific. Same way, let's say if I am not having this integer and I'm having this object and character array, then also then JVM was able to find the exact matches this character array. And while if I'm having all of these three, then there is a confusion between this character array and this integer. That's why there is an ambiguous error in this case. Hope this is clear for you. So stay connected to learn more and more. I'll try to come up with few more cases on this. Thank you.